Hi friends. So this session explains detailedly about machine learning algorithm. So which means what is machine learning algorithm and what is the use of machine learning algorithm and where and all we can apply the machine learning algorithm and what is the career opportunities are there in the machine learning algorithm. We can discuss it in a very detailed level. So let me explain what is meant by machine learning algorithm. So machine learning algorithm is nothing but makes the things into more automated way. That's why we are going for machine learning algorithm. Machine understands our frequent activities. Based on our frequent activities, system recommending you the based on our experience, system recommending you the best aspects. So that is machine learning algorithm. For example, if you look into YouTube channel, so frequently you are watching the same type of video. If you are watching, system understand your preferences, accordingly it is recommending you the relevant video. So that is machine learning algorithm. Machine learning algorithm is nothing but system understand our characteristics, accordingly it responding that. So that is machine learning algorithm. So machine learning algorithm is a part of data science. So what is meant by data science? Data science is nothing but it is a process. Data science is a process where we can convert raw data into meaningful information for taking the better decision in the competitive environment. For that we are going for data science. So when we look into the data science, with the help of that we can understand the patterns, trend, and also we can understand very easily. For example, if you look into that around 15 years back, so which mobile brand you know? So like Nokia, we can say Nokia. Nokia is one of the well-known brand in around 15 years back in India. So if that is the case, so what is the scenario of today? Today Nokia is not available in the market because Microsoft acquired Nokia. So when the Nokia surrendering the company to Microsoft, they simply said, the Nokia owner simply said, we are not able to upgrade our product according to the trend in the market. So if we are not able to upgrade our product according to the trend, definitely it is very difficult to sustain in the market. So we need to understand the trend. Accordingly, we need to provide the solution in the market. Then only we can able to sustain our business in the competitive environment. So imagine that the well-known company, well-established company Nokia itself having this same problem. So what about, imagine that, what about the new company or emerging companies? What is the situation? It is very difficult. So we need to understand the patterns, trend in the market, so that we can achieve or understand by using machine learning algorithm. So with the help of machine learning algorithm, we can understand the trend in the market. Okay, if we understand the trend, definitely we can reach the maximum level. Also, with the help of data science, we can able to predict the futuristic demand. Also we can able to predict. Okay, that is also we can able to achieve that. So with the help of data science, next quarter, next month, what is the demand, we can able to understand. If we identify the demand in the market at the early stage, then only we can able to meet the demand and the supply we can able to meet. Okay, so the data science and as well as the machine learning is mainly we are using for two purpose. Number one, with the help of machine learning, we can understand the patterns, trend in the market. Also, it is helpful to predict the futuristic demand. So these are all the main reason we are going for machine learning algorithm. Why this machine learning is suddenly popular? Why this data science and machine learnings are very much popular nowadays? The main reason is every fraction of second we are generating huge volume of data we are generating. Okay, so volume means variety, volume means the capacity. Okay, volume means capacity. So we are not only generating more volume, also it is the different varieties of data we have. Variety means text data, numerical data, image data, video data. There are varieties of data we have. Also the velocity of the data also very much high. Velocity means speed of the data. Someone tweets in US, immediately it is reflecting here. If someone tweets here, immediately it is reflecting across the world. The speed. So in all the ways it is increased. Okay, so if that is the case, we need algorithm to understand the data patterns. So for that, machine learning algorithm.